Welcome to Dr. Dad's Astronomy Adventures informative videos. Today, let us learn an interesting fact about Akshayatritiya or the third lunar day. So let us begin by understanding its meaning, astrological and astronomical importance, and their association with historical significance. The word Akshaya, meaning never-ending, unperishable, undecaying, and eternal, and Tritiya refers to the third phase of the moon or the third lunar day, symbolizing eternal prosperity. Akshayatritiya is observed on the third lunar day in the bright half of the month of Vaishakha, which means that it falls on the third day, that is Tritiya of the Shukla Paksha during the Hindu month of Vaishakha. This day corresponds to the waxing moon phase. Now let us first understand its astrological significance. On Akshayatritiya, the astrological alignment is particularly auspicious as the sun and the moon are exalted in Aries and Taurus zodiac respectively. This rare alignment is deemed extremely favorable for new beginnings. In astrology, the three factors are said to be most important. The Lagna, which signifies the physical being, Sun, which signifies the soul or the source of life, and the Moon, which represents the mind reflector of light and the cause of life and suffering. So if these two factors, that is the Sun and the Moon, becomes powerful, the day becomes more auspicious. Thus, on the day of Akshayatritiya, the Sun and the Moon positions are relatively powerful in the Aries and the Taurus zodiac respectively. Now let us look at the astronomical factors. Akshayatritiya is that day of the year where all the six energies of the world coincide and their amplitudes is almost nil. If any activity is done during this time interval, there is a natural push that takes place to reach our goals with minimum or no effort. Now let us understand the science behind this. Shukla Tritiya or the third lunar day during the waxing moon phase is that period of time when the difference between the sun and the moon is anywhere between 24 to 36 degrees in their orbits, when the moon is ahead of the sun by 24 degrees and less than 36 degrees, certain energies in the universe gets activated naturally. These energies are kinetic by nature. We all know that the world is always in motion. Motion of the living organisms, the non-living organisms, the earth, the solar system, the galaxy, and the universe. Each motion results in an energy wave, and there are billions and billions of such energy waves getting produced. Largely, we classify these energies into 6 groups based on their energy frequency. These energy groups, because of their varying frequencies, intersect with each other. However, on every Tritiya, these energies align with each other in such a manner that their amplitudes will coincide with each other. This powerful phenomenon occurs every month, and naturally, we have 12 such incidents in a year. However, there are 2 Tritiyas in a year where the amplitudes of the energies that coincide with each other is either at minimum or at maximum. During the Tritiya that occurs in the month of Vaishakha or Baisakhi, the amplitude is at minimum. And during the Tritiya that occurs in the month of Kartika or the month of Kartik, the energies are at the maximum. Essentially, Akshayatritiya is that day of the year where all the 6 group of energies in the universe coincide and their amplitude is almost nil. This is a cosmic reset of kinetic energies and is commonly referred to as Punar Pravarthanam. During this reset, there is a natural opening for living organisms to hop onto a very positive wave. If one hops onto this wave, the wave itself will naturally push them in the desired path, and our efforts will be minimum. This is one of the nature's best gift and the greatest discovery by our Vedic saints. If any activity is done during this time interval, there is a natural push that takes place to reach our goal with minimum or no efforts. Actions taken on this day, especially those of a sacred or generous nature, are believed to have a lasting impact. Now let us quickly look at some of the historical significance. The day of Akshayatritiya has connection with some of the historical stories like that of the Akshay Patra story. During the Mahabharata, Sri Krishna gave Draupadi an Akshay Patra, a magical vessel that would never run out of food, no matter how much is consumed. It became the symbol of unending prosperity. The birth of Lord Parshuram. This day also marks as the birth of Lord Parshuram, the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He symbolizes strength, righteousness, and divine protection. The other story mentions about Sudama's blessing. Sudama was a poor Brahmin and Sri Krishna's friend. He had nothing but faith and love for Sri Krishna. In return, Krishna blesses Sudama with unimaginable wealth. Another beautiful story of Akshayatritiya is Lord Vishnu, who appeared as Lord Dhanvantri, the god of medicine during the Samudra Manthan. He held a pot of nectar which symbolizes health and healing. This day is also believed to mark the beginning of Treta Yuga, the second Yuga. This is the time of righteousness, virtue, and spiritual growth. In many regions of India, Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, is worshipped on this day. It is believed that starting new ventures on this day with Sri Ganesha's blessings ensures success and removes any obstacles or upcoming hurdles. Lord Kuber received his wealth and possession as custodian of wealth and prosperity with goddess Lakshmi on this day. In more recent history, Adi Shankaracharya recited the Kanakdhara Strota on this day for the sake of poor couple at whose house he stopped for bhiksha and was offered their only available gooseberry. The Kanakdhara Strota is believed to be one of the most powerful strota for attracting money and getting the blessings of goddess Lakshmi. The Vedic scriptures classify two kinds of activities. One pertains to the physical body and the other to one's soul. By definition, any physical matter or tangible material are subject to decay over time. Thus, any form of gold, silver, utensils, or other valuables that are purchased to get over financial hardships will also get destroyed over time. And these can never truly be akshaya or indestructible. Thus, any investment in physical matter on Akshayatritiya will not deliver everlasting prosperity. Rather, the activities that actually do not decay are those that satisfies the soul, as it is the soul which never gets destroyed. Accordingly, the Akshayatritiya becomes a very auspicious muhurat for all spiritual activities such as jap, mantra sadhana, siddhi, charity or donations, prayer or meditation, and so on. These not only do not exhaust or akshaya, but also gives us the inner strength to face challenges of life through positive multiplier effect. I hope you find this information helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such information in future. Thanks for watching.